This garlic crust bread tastes like pure luxury, and the laziest chef in this kitchen made it in under 1 hour. Watch the full video, I'll reveal the name at the very end.
Lazy chef, 1 hour, kneading, and the most luxurious garlic bread you have ever tasted. Let me show you exactly how. Bread flour, instant yeast, warm water. Salt, sugar, olive oil. Butter, fresh garlic, Parmesan. Luxury ingredients, lazy method. Let me show you exactly how much you need. 1 loaf gives you 10 to 12 luxury slices, enough for 4 to 6 lazy people. Warm water, yeast, sugar, 1 stir, 5 minutes. Even the laziest chef can manage this. Flour, salt, olive oil. Stir, fold just 4 times. Cover 45 minutes. The dough does all the work. Lazy chefs rejoice. 6 tablespoons butter, 7 cloves garlic, rosemary, parsley, Parmesan. This luxury garlic butter is the reason this lazy bread tastes like it came from a 5-star restaurant. Shape gently. Luxury garlic butter inside and all over the outside. Parmesan and rosemary on top. Score it. Luxury is ready for the oven. 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. The oven does the rest. Lazy chef goes to relax. Kitchen smells like pure luxury. Golden luxury garlic crust.
Caramelized Parmesan. Crispy rosemary.
Hollow tap means pure luxury is done. More luxury garlic butter on the hot crust immediately. It melts right in and gives you that stunning luxury gloss. That luxury crumb, that garlic crust. 1 hour, 0 kneading. And it tastes like luxury garlic crust. Soft, fluffy inside. Rosemary and Parmesan in every bite. 1 hour, 0 kneading. Pure luxury garlic bread. From the laziest chef in the kitchen.
3 lazy luxury tips. Instant yeast does the work for you. Rosemary makes it luxury instantly. And always butter the hot crust immediately. That was the lazy chef's 1 hour luxury garlic crust bread. All ingredients are in the description below. Check it once before you get lazy. Subscribe now, hit that bell, share with your favorite lazy chef, and comment which recipe you want next. See you in the next one.